It's here. The thing that I have waited years for to release and telling myself that I can wait and putting it off, it's here. I finally took the plunge and upgraded my MacBook, and now we're going to unbox it. I have not officially bought a MacBook from Apple's website before, so I don't know if this is typical to open in the middle or what, but so I opted to go with the 14-inch. I like the portability of laptops, so this is what I decided to go with. I currently have a 2015, or I guess now I also have a 2015 MacBook Air, and this time I decided to go with the Pro. The MacBook Air that I have is a 13-inch, I believe, so this being 14 is not going to be huge. The Windows laptop that I had before I got a MacBook was 14 inches, so. How do I open this thing? I know how to open an Apple product. It's kind of like an Apple Watch. You've got the tabs. I purchased the 2023 MacBook Pro M2 Max. The M2 chip for the Pros was just refreshed like a few days ago, sometime this month. They kept saying that it was going to be put off till March, so I thought it was going to be March. It wasn't March. I opted to get the 64 gigabyte memory version and the 2 terabyte hard drive. Did I need that for photo editing? No, but working on YouTube videos and that sort of thing, I like to be able to have that power. I did not go all the way out with 96 gigabyte of memory. That would have been nice, but that's not exactly something I can do. This feels so fragile. Oh wow. Things have changed a lot since I've bought my MacBook Air. That's nice. That's cool. How that's engraved like that. That's so cool. It's cold. It arrived in the mail today, so I got the space gray one. I see the manual box and the charger. So I know there was controversy when Apple got rid of the MagSafe on the MacBooks, but I've always had MagSafe, so never just the USB-C. So MagSafe charger. Oh, maybe this isn't just manuals, maybe the blocks behind here. Okay, alrighty, so we've got the charging block, MagSafe cable, manuals, and probably an Apple sticker, I'm sure. Ooh, they're black. I hadn't seen the black ones before. I wonder what the difference is. Why they have black ones. Does that mean you have a MacBook? We've got the HDMI port over here, a USB-C port, an SD card slot, the MagSafe charging, 2 USB-C ports, and the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Spaces for fans on both sides, little bumpers. It's just so, it's heavier than my MacBook Air. I'm afraid I'm going to scratch it. I know when I open it, it's going to start up, so I'm not doing that yet. I'm not ready to set it up. If you would like to see a workflow video about me setting up this laptop, the software that I use with photography, or just in general, go ahead and leave a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them below as well. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more content from me, go ahead and hit subscribe, and thanks for watching.